everything to be an underground king. Underground king. I sacrifice everything to be an underground king.
What it do, kings and queens? It's your boy, the UP King, the People's Champ, and we back with another video. And listen, man, we're gonna make this one real short because people was asking me, what kind of body filler do you use? So I'm here to show you exactly what I use. Let's go. All right, so first let's talk about the fiberglass that I use. Now let me show you here. Evercoat Glass Light. It's a lightweight fiberglass filler, and this is what I like to use and go with. It's a reinforced short strand filler, and lightweight, easy to sand. This is what it says on the can. Good for bond on weld areas, and ideal for rust repair. And it's rust proof and waterproof. Now listen, this stuff right here, I like this stuff. And I'm gonna show you some right ways to use it, and I'm gonna show you some wrong ways to use it. But listen, for those wrong ways could possibly be the right way for you. You'll see what I mean when we do what we do. Let's jump to the next filler. Next up, we got Evercoat Gold filler, Evercoat Edge. This is some real nice stuff. Now this right here, I like to use on everything. Pretty much, let's say I'm using, my fiberglass, and then I want to top coat it with, a nice skim coat of some body filler to finish it up. This is what I'm going with. I'm going with this over pretty much anything else. It's a real creamy filler, not too thick, sands out real good, got good adhesion to it, and I don't get crazy amounts of pinholes with it. That's what I really like. For a lot of you, guys and gals, you might still be using, the Bondo brand body filler, and I used to use that a lot, but I used to always have issues with it having pinholes and stuff after that, and I wanted to find something else that worked for me, and this right here, this is what works for me. This gets the job done. So the Evercoat Gold filler, that's what works for me. Last but not least, we have USC Icing or glazing putty. I like to finish everything I can with some glazing putty. Fill in deep scratches if I have any, small imperfections if I have any, and yeah, this stuff right here, real good to use. Let's say you want to mix up some fiberglass, but you wanted it to spread a little bit smoother. You mix in some of this stuff, or if you want to go with, some fiberglass resin, you can mix that in as well with some fiberglass, and kind of mix it up and get it to smooth out a little bit more, be a little bit more creamy. But if you mix up some of this up with it, does the same thing, going to smooth it out a little bit more, make it spread a lot easier. Kind of like a lightweight filler, and yeah, this stuff right here, man, it sands so easy. Again, pinholes are almost no pinholes at all, so it's gonna feather out good, and this is what I like to use, and this is a polyester, glazing putty, so this works well. All right, kings and queens, so I just wanted to show you exactly what I'm using when it comes to my body fillers, my fiberglass, and my glaze. That's what I'm using in the shop. That's what I get my results with, and I think that's what works for me. Now, what I need you to do is jump in the comments and tell me what it is that you like to use. Tell me, hey, if you think I should try it out, Let me know that in the comments. If you got something else, or if you're using the same thing and you just like, hey man, he's using what I'm using, listen, let me know in the comments. Blow up that comment section. Tell me what you're using. Tell me if you feel like I should try something else. Let me know in the comments. I'll try it out. That's what we do around here. We're trying to find out what's the best for everybody to use, and we might not never find that out, but listen, let's do it anyway. Let's try it out. Next, we gotta do the giveaway, and I'm thinking May 7th, we're gonna give away the Bauer SCT. We're gonna give that away. We're gonna do it live. I appreciate everybody that bought tickets. I appreciate everybody that's been buying merchandise and got involved with the raffle. It won't be the last thing we raffle. Won't be the last thing that we give away. Last giveaway we gave away Black Widow, the spray gun, the HTE version, and we're gonna give away some more stuff. I appreciate everybody. We're growing together, and we blowing the channel up. I'm enjoying myself. I'm loving it. Yo, this is your boy, the UP King, the People's Champ, and we out.
Everything to be a